If you are a tutor or you can do teaching job, this video is for you. In this video, I'm going to show you the website that you can apply to be a tutor online, and guess what, is worldwide. And also you can use your secondary school certificate to apply. So you must not use a degree certificate if you don't have. And as well, they teach all languages including Yoruba, English and Igbo language. So watch this video to the end. I'm going to show you step by step on how to apply, and also your bio, the right bio for you to use so that you can get hired. And also I'm going to teach you how you are going to make your CV look professional. You cannot just upload any CV. So I'm going to show you step-by-step guide on how to do this. And see guys, anything I'm posting in this channel is legit. I don't post anything that won't give you money. No. So any video I post here, make sure you take it serious and apply all the information I'm giving to you. Follow my step, do what I do, and you will get a good result. And also this video, if you are done registering with this link, if you have applied all the details I showed you, make sure you come back and comment, especially if they have accepted you. If they approved your account, come back in the comment section and tell us that you were approved, so other people will know that this website is legit. Now let's sign up. There is two options here. There is find a tutor and there is sign up for a tutor. Now what you're going to click is sign up as a tutor. It will bring you to this place. Now we are going to choose the subject you know that you can apply very well. I've already filled out my name, so what we are going to fill together here is the subject that I am capable of teaching. So I'm going to choose my English language, I'm going to choose mathematics, I will also choose my personal language as well, and also computing, because I can teach these ones very well. So you have to choose the one that you know you can present properly. So now you are in your bio section. Click in your bio section and type anything about you as a tutor. So mine is already copied. Now another thing is your national ID card, your government approved ID card. It can be passport, NIN, driver license, whichever one you have. So let me upload mine. And then on the other side, your resume section, you upload your well formatted resume as well. So that is done. Then you click on agree, and as well click on I'm not a robot. Of course you're not a robot, you're a human. So let's click on it, and then you click on create account. Oh, there's one more thing that we left behind. What I skipped was the part of your higher qualification. If you are just an SSE holder, you can click that. So, and the number of years that you have, you can choose a year or two if you are not well experienced, and then click on create account. It will bring you here to your dashboard. So as you can see, it says you are welcome, and then what is saying that your account is currently under review. So let's wait until the account is approved. If your account is approved, make sure you come back and comment and let us know that you have been approved. So in this place, you'll see all your earnings and the bookings you have. Everything that you need to know is right in your dashboard, and also the scheduling. This is it, today's schedule. In case you have any teaching to make, then the time and the date will be under schedule, and your total earnings.